babies! Good morning! Today is Thursday and it's holiday. According to Habibu, it's a new year. I don't know. I'm not sure. But yeah, let's have hot choco for breakfast. I have my Milo here. Then we have some cookies and yeah, some biscuits. It's New Year and I think it's like New UAE. Like the Eid, you know? I think something like that. That's what Papa said.
I thought you were talking about the New Year in January.
No. Choco is hot.
It's because, for example, it's 2020 today. Yeah, and when December starts and it's January, it's 2021, and that's why they say it's a new year.
Cheers! Cheers! Okay, I googled it and it says today is Islamic New Year, August 12, 2021. So I just uploaded one TikTok and I'm wearing this, yung the angel upload. I don't like put it public on TikTok because that's not my niche. But yeah, I'm wearing this top from Shein and these shorts that I thrifted, but it's still big. It's too big, I mean. So I have to like put this one, this clip behind like that, so it will be perfect. So yeah, go check my Instagram. I posted my TikTok in there. So this is what I'm wearing. It is so cute. This is actually long, but I fold it so it will be more pretty. What do you guys think? Right? It's much better when it's like that. We are watching Hotel Transylvania 3. Yeah. It's already afternoon and I just remember the car. It's under the sun for this whole time since last night. So I will go and transfer it to the garage. And I think I have to figure it how to do that because, you know, the area there is so hard to like 5 volt or manage. I don't know, we'll see. Figure out. So that when Habibu is back, he can park in his spot and I can go out easily. See, I'm not yet done with this. When will I be done with that? I don't know. Push. Oh my gosh. It will hurt. My butt will hurt. Ouch. Aray. Ouch. Ouch. Oh my gosh. I'm so OA. But let me turn it on. That's why I put my glasses on because it's hot. It's almost 50 degrees, I think. Okay, this is the back. So I'm close there already. But I have a lot of space here. So I think I can go out from here. So push. The aircon is already full. But I'm sweating. It's crazy. This is the outfit, I mean the top that I'm wearing in my, you know, catwalk inspired video on TikTok. Yeah, just for fun. I have been watching Steffi and all the Miss Philippines candidate doing the catwalk, so I said, oh, I'm gonna do one. Look, it's 49 degrees, I told you. It's freaking 49 degrees. Oh my gosh, why? I have nothing to vlog today, so I decided to experiment something. I bought a bag of raspberry the other day. That's for smoothie supposedly, but yeah, I think it's not enough. One bag is not enough. It's only 300 grams. So I checked online what will I do with it, and I found something to make. Char. So yeah, here are the stuff that I'm preparing. Excuse the mess. This is the raspberry. I put I don't know, maybe I'm just gonna experiment now, and if it worked out, and I'm gonna repeat this recipe, then I'm gonna show you. But if you Google it, I think it's just raspberry crumble, something like that. So yeah, just trying it for a change. I haven't done anything like this, so it's good to experiment. Okay, so for the crumble, I used this one, rolled oats with some flour, sugar. What else did I put? Something like that. I forgot what I put. So yeah, and this one, I have to drain it a little bit. The sugar creates a lot of liquid, so yeah, push. I'm just gonna add melted butter. It's not I think that's a lot. It's not fully melted, but it will, so I'm just gonna mix them to create the crumb. Add more. Okay, put everything. So yeah, I'm using my hand gloves so that it will be mixed perfectly. I feel like I don't have any upload today. Yesterday I don't have as well. What I did is I uploaded baby girl's shorts, the one she is running. And yeah, the reason why is there are clips that are missing. I think I accidentally deleted them. Now I cannot edit sometimes. I mean, there's one vlog for a day and the clips are gone. So the remaining clips are just around 3 minutes. So it's not enough because I am vlogging like more than 10 minutes, right? So yeah, 3 minutes, it's a waste then. Oh my gosh, what have I done? That's the reason why I deleted the numbering like vlog 001 because I'm messed up. I thought I've edited and uploaded them already. So after doing that, I directly erased it. And also I empty the trash or something, the erased clips. So yun, it's gone, it's all gone. So I cannot edit and I'm frustrated. But yeah, I'm gonna proceed to the next video. I'm just gonna try to edit it now so it will be uploaded tonight, hopefully. And tomorrow, maybe 2 vlogs or 1, depends, we'll see. So yeah, push. Look what I've done. I'm pressing these crumbs here. And then I'm gonna layer it with this one. And then I'm gonna press one more layer or until this one is finished. Guys, I failed. I directly put the raspberry on top already. But first, I didn't know that you have to bake the crust first. So now I'm scooping it. Fail. It's okay, it happens. Especially when you're not properly reading instructions. Oh my gosh. Why? Okay. Lesson learned. Let's just redo it. Okay, so I scooped the others and I put them here. And I'm just gonna bake this for 10 minutes. It's inside already. And I'm gonna have coffee because I feel like I'm hanging. My brain is not working. I feel sleepy, something like that. You know, I was able to like have a nap in between and I'm putting baby girl to sleep. But not that much. They are downstairs. They are shouting. I don't know if you can hear. These kids are fighting. But Habibu is there already. He arrived from diving. So he can look after them. I'm supposed to go to the grocery, but it took him forever to come back. And the kids are sleeping. So I'll just cook whatever we have. We have the dried mushroom here. So this will act as my meat for the mung beans. I'm gonna be cooking mung beans. It's just mung beans. We don't have leaves. Yeah, next time. Cheers. Iced coffee. I'm also gonna make popcorn because Bebe Boy requested a snack. So yeah, I'm just heating the oil. I'm the kitchen queen today. Don't mind my hair. It's always falling down because the hair ties that I have are loose already. So I need to buy more. Though I have different colors like, you know, bright yellow, pink. Not in the mood for that. I just prefer something like dark. Because when I'm doing some, see? Bright yellow. Okay, I talk too much. Guys, I'm gonna share something. Again, another something to share. My nails are very hard right now. Like, I don't feel like any fragility. There's such a word. Anyway, I don't feel like they're fragile, so I'm gonna wait and make them long, and then I'm gonna paint them from time to time like that. I'm gonna paint it later actually. So yeah, same color with my feet. It's black. That's the nail polish that is available right now. So yeah, just to not talk too much to you guys because I don't have a vlog, but yeah, I'm gonna edit now. Go, let's do this. Okay, I put it already. And now let's put the rest. So I think this one no need to press, just sprinkle it all over on top, and then I'm gonna bake it for 25 to 30 minutes. Popcorn time! Sure. The two are back from outside. They're washing their hands. Good job! Careful! What?
Blow!
You need to blow it, okay? It's still hot.
Mama, I got my chair.
Next thing is the gelatin. So I'm just gonna put the sachet here and then add boiling water, 1 cup. And then I mix it a little bit. It smells like pineapple. Okay, and 1 more cup of not hot, not cold, warm water. So, yep. I will just let it set, and a bit later I'm gonna transfer it here. Push. Hopefully it's good. Let's taste it. I'm gonna be using my photo molder. Oops. To set them. Okay, next thing that I'm gonna be doing is pizza. No. With a twist. Okay, I'm going to make the pizza crust using the same dough for pizza. And instead of pizza, putting like sauce or toppings inside, on top, I'm just gonna like make a bread and put mozzarella. This guy is always like that. I don't know why. What's wrong with them? They're not going out if the delivery is there. They don't often come out. That's why delivery guy is always making pip pip. So I'm gonna put mozzarella and cheddar and Parma ham. So I'm gonna be slicing some Parma ham. It's my first time to try that, but yeah, it is kind of salty. So I'm gonna stuff them inside the bread. I'm just gonna call it bread, but I'm using pizza recipe. So my yeast is ready, so I'm gonna add flour, salt, and yeah, I think that's it. And I'm just gonna beat it here. So okay, so Habibu tried it and he likes it, and I'm done kneading it now. I divided them into pieces. So yeah, hopefully this imbento will work. Okay, so I wanted to add the meat, but I'm lazy to slice, so let's settle with cheese only. Okay, I'm done. This is all that I made, and hopefully, fingers crossed, it's good, right? We'll see. Imbento mode pa talaga tayo. Okay, so it's kind of failed again because the cheese came out. Oh my gosh. What happened? Wait, it's still hot. But yeah. And also, there's another one fail. Okay. It's failed too. This one is fail. I don't know where I did wrong. I just followed the recipe. It's wet. It did not become a jelly. Too bad. Everything is failed today. So I freshened up already. And guess what? I just saw the number 11:11 again. So it's 11 p.m. now, and the family is asleep. If you notice, I did not cook the munggo because of all the things that I prepared and they ate. They're full. So yeah, I'm just gonna do that tomorrow. Anyway, the gelatin is in my favor. I just transferred it to the fridge and it's starting to be jiggly. So yeah, I think that's the secret, because living here in the countertop doesn't help due to the hot weather. So yeah, I think that is all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching and see you again tomorrow. Good night. Love you so much. Hi babies, good morning. Today's Friday and I woke up a little late. So yeah, now I'm going straight to preparing our food. And first thing that I'm gonna be doing is hot cake. So if you want to see the recipe, it is in it's one of my viral videos, accidentally viral. I don't even know that it will, you know, gain like 200 plus views. So I'm so shy about that. But anyway, that's when I'm starting. So you really never know what will go viral. So yeah, let's proceed. Look at my mess. This is what's going on in my countertop at this moment, and yeah. Also, I don't have yellow food color, so I'm gonna be using red, just a little bit of it, so it has like pinkish touch. You know? Look at the color; it's so pretty. I just put 4 drops of red. Okay, the first 4 is finished. I asked baby girl if she wants it like these. She said no, so I have to make these 2 a little lighter. So yeah. Look at that, I already put butter and sugar. It's so pretty. Hi babies, I spent today just, what do you call that, sleeping and spending time with Habibu because he is here. He did not go diving today. So yeah, I wasn't able to do the pudding because I lack ingredients. I don't have egg. And I don't want to go out today, which is, you know, Friday the 13th, you know, beliefs. Not really believing hard, but you know, I just wanted to stay at home today. Anyway, I air fried kingfish. It smells so good. And I cook mung beans. Okay, since there's not much gonna for today's vlog, I'm just gonna include this day's vlog into yesterday, so you will just see. It's just a one video. Anyway, I'm just editing now and exporting the, you know, the late vlog. I did not vlog for 2 days, so I'm doing it now, and yeah, it will be uploaded soon. The mung beans is ready. I added dried mushroom, and we don't have leaves, so it's just like that. Hi babies, a little update. I just had a shower and the kids are already asleep. So yeah, tomorrow we need to leave early at 5 in the morning because our meetup for the aquathlon is 5:20. So good luck, fingers crossed. Hopefully we wake up early. Anyway, I'm wearing a bralette top already and a short, so that I will just put the uniform tomorrow. I'm gonna put lotion all over my body, and I'm gonna paint my nails while charging because this phone is almost low, but so I need to fully charge. So before I sleep, I will edit 1 more video and sleep until I fall asleep, I mean. So yeah, anyway, I don't have anything in mind now, guys, so I guess I have to end this now. That is all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching and see you again tomorrow. Good night. I love you so much. Thanks for watching.